Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to continue with PHP filters. So today I'm going to show you filter callback. So let's get started. So in other filter you can find filter callback. So basically filter callback is a user defined where you can pass your function and you can write like your logic inside that function. So let me show you by code. So first one, write let's say one variable myvar and give knowledge trust or let's say value to it. Then write filter. After that write filter var and inside that pass myvar variable. After that you need to pass filter callback. Now third you need to pass is option. So write array and inside that write option, and in option you are going to pass your function name. So here I'm giving replace let's say str string. So here I'm going to replace string. Wherever space is there, I'm going to replace that string with underscore. So basically here I'm sending from, that is knowledge thrusters filter, and output I'll be getting is knowledge underscore thruster underscore hyphen underscore filter. So here now define function replace string, and now inside replace string pass one argument, that is let's say string only. Now return and write string replace function. So first one is going to be search, that is going to be our space. Second is going to be replace. So here I'm going to replace my space with underscore. So write underscore in that. Third is pass string variable. Now hold result in a variable, let's say result only. Now print result and bad dump result. So here it's giving a syntax error. So okay, I forgot semicolon after my var variable. So now refresh. Now you can see it's having knowledge thrusters, but it's not replacing with the underscore. Okay, so I forgot to add a space in between string replace. So give a space there. Now refresh. You can see now knowledge underscore is there, thrusters, then underscore hyphen underscore. So it's working fine. So here you can see our function is called and it replaces the string and then it returned the output. So we are holding that in a variable and then printing it. So you can also validate your input using filter callback, like you want to add some personal validation to your input field, so you can use filter callback there. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then comment down in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.